This video will detail two tasks undertaken by the Saturday gang in January 2013. The left-hand side of 25's frames has received a complete coat of red oxide. Now the right-hand side is in need of the same treatment. We start by using angle grinders fitted with rotary wire brushes to remove any dirt from the surface of the frames before the paint can be applied. Once the frames are clean, no time is wasted in applying the red oxide. By the end of one day, at least half of the locomotive's right side has received paint. Meanwhile, volunteers are trained in the operation of a mechanical lathe. Careful care is taken to ensure that the cut is no deeper than necessary. As the operation goes on, a drill is attached in order to shape the piece as it is intended to look. At last, the task on the lathe is complete. Later, a volunteer removes any burrs from the piece by way of a file. Yet another two jobs done.